Start about.
Time to try again.
Waiting for players. 3 of 3.
It's a new recording for me. Woo!
No, I'm still going.
Yeah, no, I stopped.
Wow.
That's a 20-minute
Pussy, don't
video
want to have a
right
10
there
hour.
for me.
Pussy, don't want to have a 10-hour video.
Nah, I'm good. That's a 20-minute video right there.
I'm in for the long haul.
2 and 3. 6 health, Jesus Christ. That's a beer.
You fucking steal my beer, you fucking fuck. Damn it.
Fuck it, I'm gambling.
I don't know why, but for half a second I thought you were gonna say, fuck it, I'm gay. I'm like, wait. What? Jesus Christ.
That may or may not have been a hate crime.
Jesus Christ.
Bird shell is.
The 7th shell is a snail.
He just hears bird shell
With a top
like,
hat.
Gets no information.
Hi. I mean, you should retaliate, right? Okay.
You probably got. There's no way you gamble 50-50 on
He's just gonna shoot himself 3 times in the face.
that. He actually 50-50 gambled on that. Okay.
Yeah.
He literally got told the third one was blank. Got
Yeah,
zero information.
yeah.
And gambled.
And went, fuck it, we ballin'.
Why do you guys have so much more health than me? What the fuck? Did I miss
Because you
something?
got shot in the face!
Oh, I did miss something apparently. I didn't even notice.
Why did you guys have more health than me? Oh, I wonder.
Literally took a handsaw shotgun to the face.
Probably because Caleb
Just
shot
swipe that off.
Jesus Christ.
So Caleb shotgunned me in the face.
Yes. I think you gave him brain damage, he forgot.
I hit the
You
right
stolen
button,
my
sorry.
smokes.
What the fuck?
You stole my smokes.
No, I didn't. I literally haven't gotten a turn, what are you talking about?
No, he's talking about the past game.
That's
You're stealing my smokes right now. Those are mine.
No, that
Those
was
have my
a
name on it.
past recording, according to Caleb, so that doesn't count.
Zach's pulling out the receipt.
Motherfucker pulling out the receipts.
I don't even remember what's in here anymore.
Don't worry, I do.
I feel like we should equalize the playing field.
I feel like retaliation is the key. I feel like we should even up the playing field. Fuck you. You made me use my smokes, asshole.
Those are my smokes.
Fuck off. And I've just been jammed, god damn it.
Okay, I know what that one is now. Drink a beer. Okay. Fuck it.
Okay.
I don't know what I'm doing.
Okay.
I'm doing something.
Well, it's 3 and 1, regardless of what it is. Okay.
I might be a genius.
Okay.
And,
Do it again.
Fuck it. I don't know.
Handsaw, shoot yourself in the face.
That sounded like
Bitch.
a funny joke.
I'm on 3 health and I've been jammed. What the fuck?
So the last one was a blank, right?
No.
Caleb wouldn't lie to me.
Caleb didn't say anything.
Wait. Zach's also hearing voices.
I fucking hate you and your logic, Zach.
Zach's also schizophrenic. I feel like the more a game goes on, the less brain power goes into it, and we start to lose it and lose count of everything.
There's the thing, the longer the game goes on, the more I actually pay attention. Did you not see me in the first 2 rounds? I literally wasn't even counting, I just bullshitted.
So Zach, have you done the math?
Of course he's done the math, he's looking at it. He looked at the answers, what a cheating fuck. Well then,
Well,
I'm not getting a turn.
Zach.
Are you lagging? Oh,
I was thinking.
okay. You'd already sawn it off, so you're obviously going to use the shotgun.
Jesus
Yeah. I'll be honest, I'm going to
well,
stop
that-
counting. I'm pretty sure I'm dead.
That gives me no information.
Perfect.
Fuck it. Oh. Fuck it. We ball.
Jesus Christ. I don't think there's anything even in the gun at this point. Yo, okay, I like your bowling style. Have another turn. That may or may not have been a hate crime. There's 5 shells in this fucking thing still? What the f-
Yeah.
I don't even know what any of them are. Stop telling me the same fucking thing, you useless crap. Jesus Christ. Burner shells are right, these things are fucking worthless.
I know somewhat what it could be, but I don't
Fuck it, we ball.
Well then.
know.
That was the last live, wasn't it?
No, that was.
I
Now-
fucking wish. I fucking wish.
Now I have to play the odds, which.
Well, I know what the last 2 shells are.
Then that means.
But hang on, I guess I know what the... Yeah, there we go. Thanks.
Well, if he knows what the last 2 shells are, then I know what this is. Because if you said is that the last live, I'm just going, oh,
Yeah.
that gives me information.
Oh.
Oh, okay.
What the fuck? Well, what the fuck am I meant? Okay. Fuck it, we ballin'.
I mean, even if this is a blank. Well, it's not.
Oh, it's not.
I was gonna say, you win.
It's okay.
regardless. Yeah.
No, if that was the blank, I don't win that.
Yeah, but I mean that you get another turn, and then you probably
Yeah.
kill me anyway.
Money. Money. Interesting. So when I set starting health, it only matters for the first round. Oh, wait. Oh, I'm being dumb. I just realized what
You
happened.
can set it for each round.
Yeah, that's what I did with the fucking remotes. That's why we still got remotes last time. I only set that for the first fucking round.
Yeah. Oh,
Hey, Zach.
fuck, what was it? Uh-oh.
I think I remember, but I'm just not really paying attention. I've looped back around to the beginning of the game where I'm not fucking paying attention.
I thought it was 2 and 3, but I don't know.
I thought it was 3 and 3.
It might have been.
It might have been. Let's
One
find
of
out.
Those 2, I think.
I've been lied to.
I do. Okay. What is in the fucking thing? Oh, interesting.
Maybe there was more than 3 live rounds than if Zach got told where several of them were.
Okay, so I know what the first and the third are. How do I play this? Fuck, what am I doing? Let's just get this out of my inventory. Ah, fuck it. So I don't know what this one is, but I know what the next one is.
I got no idea.
It's okay, you've got a fucking spyglass, so you'll be fine. Zach is contemplating, I guess. Oh. Interesting. Do it again, pussy. Do it again, pussy. Good boy.
Are you kidding me?
What the fuck? Why'd you go for a third one?
I've been lied to.
Yeah, remember the phones are shit?
This is-
Oh, that was the last one. Okay. My bad.
Caleb used a beer to get rid of the last blank. Oh, that was the last one.
Yeah, and I think because I didn't shoot myself, it actually goes past me. I don't remember.
Does it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it does.
If you don't
Interesting.
shoot yourself, it goes past you. If you use a beer to get rid of the last one, it fucks it.
I'm just gonna use that. So here you go, you can have a turn, Caleb. Fuck it, we ball.
I didn't even look what's in this.
I remember what's in this. Let's find out what's actually at the front, though.
I thought it was two.
Oh,
and two, but
interesting.
I've got no idea.
Interesting, interesting. Let's do this. Hope you kept count, Caleb.
I thought it was 2 and 2, but okay.
This is your turn. Look, you were on 4 lives, so
Pretty sure it
Zach's still on
was 2.
fucking 2.
Oh, the fucking.
Hi.
Okay, cool. I did somewhat pay attention then.
Yeah, it was 2 and 2. And literally the first 2 were the blanks.
Zach's got 3 beers.
We need to execute him now. Before he's allowed to
it's
drink
terrible.
all... If he drinks all the beer, he will ascend to drunkhood.
I'm pretty sure the only damage Zach's taken is from shooting himself this round.
Yeah, because he shot himself in the face
Oh.
twice.
Well done, Zach. Now it's 50-50.
Is it? What? Do it to him.
Are you fucking kidding me? Fucking bullshit, the first 4 were live.
Fucking God, that was amazing.
I was actually thinking about, I'll use the inverter. No, surely not, it's the first 4
Surely
alive.
not.
Surely.
Surely not.
Bullshit.
That was amazing.
Zach really hits those odds, huh?
I should have just gone for it.
Holy shit, I love this
Oh.
game. Hello.
Well,
What the fuck is that?
using beer ejects blank.
Fuck it, we ball.
Nope,
Caleb.
not this time.
Don't worry, we have a second shot at this.
Oh, nope.
Nope.
Oh, what's it gonna be?
Eeny, meeny, miny, let me check. Oh.
Oh, I wonder which one this one is.
I don't know.
How do you... Well...
Well, I'll sit over here with my useless shitty items.
Perfect.
What was it again?
I don't know, I wasn't paying attention.
Oh,
Fuck.
Just trying to figure out where my dogs went. Well,
I was
That's
about to say,
unfortunate.
that was really low odds of that being the case.
I mean, Caleb, you could copy him. Or you could use a magnifying glass, be a pussy. It kills no matter what.
You know what? You have a cigarette, and I don't want you to drink your beer.
That's rude. That's a hate crime, Caleb.
Now Zach has to choose between the beer or the cigarette.
The smokes are mine. I don't remember. I don't know what's left.
Perfect.
Let me think.
I know what's left, but...
I know what's left.
I know what's left. Pulls up saw, shoots self in face.
I didn't need the saw.
Yeah,
Well,
no, you didn't.
You hit the 2 and 3 odds of killing me there.
Let's just say I knew.
Well, you hit the 2 and...
Just
Actually,
say
sorry,
I
the
knew.
2 and 5 odds. I meant 2 and 3. It was two lives, 3 blank.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Yeah. I thought there was 1 blank left.
You fucking
No,
game. You
lies.
take my items.
No, it was 3 live, 4 blanks.
Damn.
Start. Okay.
Fuck it, we ball. Get the alcohol out of the way before Zach can use it.
Uh-oh.
Well then. Well then. I'm just gonna be safe.
I don't think you really had to look at it.
Yeah, well, I wanted to.
Well,
You criticize my strategy. Fuck you.
okay. You know
Do
what?
it, chug the beer.
Tell
Chug
me-
both
tell
beers.
me- Tell me where. Okay.
Okay.
Well, it just makes it tells me exactly what I need.
Exactly. Now you know exactly what you need.
Yep.
Let me place the fucking beer. Zach's got a full fucking inventory.
Oh, let me drink.
Okay. Oh, okay.
Some pretty good chance here.
I mean, pretty good chance. Was a pretty good.
Wow.
Well.
Thanks.
Well. What's in it, Zach?
I hope I've done this right.
I hope I've done this right. That's a good sign.
Zach just never wants to shoot anyone.
What do you mean? He loves shooting me.
No,
Because the fucking voices in his head tell him to.
he could have shot you. He just chooses to shoot himself.
Look, just because he has a kink.
Go on, Zach. Shoot yourself.
50-50 odds. You win those. Oi, cunt!
That was the most Aussie you've ever sounded in your entire life.
You fucking what, cunt? I'm a shit in your litter box for this.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
Steal my beer? I'm gonna kick your ass.
He's done so much, but then it took me a moment to realize that he hasn't done anything really.
Exactly. It's just stealing all our alcohol.
Oh,
Oh my god, what
Jesus.
the fuck? Do it, one it.
It's the
You
last
win
blank.
these. Shoot yourself.
It's the last blank right now.
No, now it's a blank.
What was the point of that? Now you have to play the... What? Why? Why not use the sword and know it live and then shoot him?
What the fuck is this?
You know what? Fuck it. I hate
What?
those.
Oh, I see.
Fucking
I see what
hell.
I've done. Whoopsie.
Man, I'm so glad I got to play that round. Fucking assholes.
I didn't jam you.
Yeah, but you're still involved in this. You're the voice in his head telling him to do shit. Apparently.
Just because he's schizophrenic.
Look, the fucker's skits, and you're his fucking imagination.
You're
So I'm
talking
gonna blame
so
you for
much
this.
shit that I didn't even pay attention to what's in there.
I think I'm holding up fingers, so I'm assuming that some part of my brain was paying attention. It's not the active part, but fucking hell. I think I know what's.
3 and 2, but fuck if I know.
I have no idea then. If you think it's 3 and 2, I'm probably wrong.
It's either 2 and 2 or 3 and 2. I thought. But...
Well, now it's numbers.
Is it 3 and 1 or 2 and 1?
It's 2 and 1 and 2 and 3. Oh, okay.
Okay.
I think I know what's in it. So, we're gonna get this out of my fucking hand. I don't want it. And then... fucking get this out of my hand. Oh, well then. If my fingers were correct, this is the math. Perfect.
So it's 2 and 2.
No, it was 1 and 3.
What?
He inverted 1. Remember?
Did he? Oh, fuck. I got
Yeah.
It was 1 and 3. He inverted 1 into another thing to change the numbers on us because he's a fuckhead. Fuck do I do with all this shit?
This time, but I'll probably lose track of it anyway.
Don't worry.
Well,
We hit
good
those.
luck.
Give me this.
Fucking dead. You fucking bitch.
Look, I like to reduce the numbers. It makes my brain easier to compute. Okay. Interesting. What's the first one? Interesting. Well, now I don't know what the fuck to do. Fuck it, we ball.
Jam him and shoot him. What a combination.
Now you get to pick who dies. I'm surprised you didn't steal. Oh wait, yeah, we've got another adrenaline. Now, did Caleb do the math?
Okay.
I think he did the math.
Fuck's next?
What the fuck is next? Fuck. Well, that's just racist.
Oh, I hate it because I'm going with this option because this is the more likely chance that I win.
Well, that's just mean.
And
Well, no, it isn't.
yeah.
Motherfucker misses those odds.
No, I was nearly gonna shoot myself too, but there was a better chance that I do that because if I actually shoot myself, I'm down to 2 lives and then I'm fucked.
Yeah.
Yep. It's technically better odds to do what I did, but
Well, this is an interesting situation for me to be in.
yeah.
Who do I want to win? Make your statements. Why should I not shoot you?
I don't really care, to be honest.
Zachary? Why should I shoot you?
If you shoot Caleb, I get the
Because
drink
at
ball.
least then he's getting shot by someone else rather than himself.
You know, you both make very interesting points.
If you shoot Caleb, I'm more like, okay.
shoot Caleb, I'm more likely to bang.
Well,
This is a game. I was fucked from the second it handed me the gun. What the fuck are you doing?
finding out which one's which.
That's right. That's just cheating. I was gonna say racist, but nah, it's just cheating.
I wonder what this could be.
I would have laughed so fucking
I
hard if
wonder.
your head exploded. Why are you fucking doing that? I'm on 1 health.
Hey,
You're on
two.
2.
No, I don't.
You're on 2.
Why
No,
you
I
can't?
don't. Staring at the 2 health. Okay.
Sort of.
An overkill?
He hits those numbers.
Apparently.
I didn't want to win.
See, Zach, that's why I shot you. Because Caleb's suicidal.
My argument was
Most
going to be
damage
I'm more
dealt
likely to shoot myself as
Mechanitor,
well.
most death's web. Chimney's web. Least careful's web. Most resourceful Mechanitor. Look, there's a plane in the background.
Zach's argument was he was most likely to shoot himself. Me.
Yeah.
Bang.
You forget, Caleb is at the table. You want to do another match?
Oh, God.
No.
Alright, Zach's sick of this game already. Wow. What a surprise.